Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Lookie here by the Asylum. So we have regular 6x6 Sudoku rules, meaning in every row, every column, and every 2x3 box, we are placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. We also have look and say cages. These are not killer cages. So first of all, just because they look like killer cages does not mean they are killer cages. All right, so you always got to read the rules. So first of all, cells surrounded by dotted lines are cages. Yes, this is one enormous cage here. Now, the way look and say cages work is obviously you can repeat digits. The clue in the top left should be read out loud, like 1, 1, meaning there is exactly a single 1 in this look and say cage. There is 1, 1. This cage, there is 1, 1, 2 2s, 3 3s, 4 4s, 5 5s, and 6 6s, which is pretty interesting. And yeah, that's it. You need to, if it's in the clue, it needs to exactly match. You can't put 2 1s in here. Like I can't put a 1 here and 1 here. Sudoku would let me. The look and say cage would be wrong. Can't make the look and say cage wrong. Other digits are fine though, because they're not mentioned. All right, so those are the rules. There is a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself. And I'm going to get started right now. Okay, so we need 6 6s, which means we need a 6 in every row, column, and box. So the first thing I notice is that I'm actually going to highlight this cage. I'm going to highlight every cell that's in this cage. Green, because why not? You'll notice there's only one green cell in this box, so that has to be the 6. There's no other choice. And now there's also only one green cell in this column, so this has to be the 6 for that column. Remember, every row, column, and box is going to have a 6 in the green. So that means there is a 6 somewhere here that captures that box. There's a 6 up here somewhere. This box needs a 6. This is the only place left for 6. This box now needs a 6. That places the 6 here, the 6 here, and we are done with 6s. All right, now we need a 5 in every box except this one. So let's find out about 5s. This column needs a 5, so that goes there. I'm actually going to remove this greens from the 6s to help scan. So this 5 looks in here, putting a 5 in one of these two. There's also going to be a 5 in one of these two. So in this column, what can be 5? Not this one, because of this 5. So the 5 ends up here. Okay, so I need a 5 in this column. It's not going to be in this box. It's going to be, right, and there's a 5 in one of these two, so it can't be here. So this ends up being the 5. Ah, yeah, 5 for this row would have been a much easier way to put that. So we have 1, 2, 3 5s, and then 2 more in this rectangle that we can't resolve yet. All right, now we need 4s. So 1, 2, 3. We have 4 columns remaining. So this column's going to need a 4. That's going to go here. That puts the 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the box without a 4. So this box does need a 4. So this ends up being a 4, 5 pair. Nice. This couldn't be a 4 because of that 4. So we need a 4 in this box as well. That's going to be one of these two. That points down, making this 5 and 4, making that 5. So we finished our 5s. So I'm actually going to remove 5 from the green. And I'll remove these 4s as well, just to keep things clean. But one of these is a 4. I'm not going to remove any of those greens. All right, now we need 3 3s. Notice there's only 3 columns left. So this is our 3 for this column. And that does mean this is a 3 4 pair. Because this column's going to need 1. And this column needs a 3. It can't be here because of this 3, so it's there. So now I can remove these. I need 2 2s. Notice there's only 2 columns, so this is a 2. And that places this 2, and then this is the 1. Nice. So our look and say cage is fully filled out, except for this 3 4 pair. Now there's only a singular 1 in here, and we know this box has a 1. So really all this is telling us is this cell is not 1. So 1's on one of these two. But I bet you we can do some Sudoku here. So this is a 1 2 pair. This is a 1 3 pair. In fact, in here we need 1 2 and 4, and this is not the 1. I think that's the important bit of this cage. We know it's not the 1 because if it's a 1, that's the singular 1 for this cage that we get, because there's only 1 1, and now there'd be nowhere to put 1 in this box. In fact, the 1 goes here, and that is the 1 1. So that's another way to put it because of the column. All right. This is a pair as well. This is 1 2. This 1 tells us the order. That's 2 and 1. That gives us the 1 and the 2 here, giving us the 1 and the 4. That's 3 and 1. Okay, over here we need a 2 and a 3. That's 2, that's 3. Over here, we need 2, 3, 4. The 2 goes here. This can't be 4, so that's 3, that's 4, that's 3. Nice. 2 more digits, 4 and 5, and we're done. That was super fun. Thanks, Asylum. Well crafted, because you can just go backwards digit by digit, and you're just super rewarded for doing so, because every high digit you get then limits where the next lowest digit can go, to the point that it has to go everywhere it can. It's very interesting. Cool. Well, I enjoyed that. I hope you did as well. If you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.